This is particularly important for starter on Instagram. Make it clear for your audience from the beginning where you are located. With the new Instagram, you are able to fill in your current location in the process of filling in your bio information. Providing accurate information regarding your location on your bio helps your followers identify your location. It's important to know that there are a number of advantages that come with providing the right information about your current location of operation. For these businesses, accurate locations allow followers to determine whether they are able to gain from your business or not depending on your proximity. With the right information regarding your location on your bio, you're able to attract the right and relevant audience who will not only like and comment on your images, but purchase the product your brand is offering. This implies that accurate location information on your bio will ensure that you attract followers who will be close enough to buy the product and or the service you're offering. Additionally, providing the right information regarding your area of operation will help you identify your competitors in the same market niche. With this information, you're able to plan accordingly on how to counter the influence of your competitors in the same market. As a matter of fact, the correct information regarding your current location also authenticates your business amongst your existing and potential customers. While your marketing efforts might be based on Instagram, it may not necessarily need your location. The people you expect to attract through your promotional efforts need to be certain that your brand is credible and authentic. Providing the right information regarding your location is one way of authenticating not only your brand but also yourself among your followers. You need to earn the trust of your followers, and by sharing your location with them helps achieve this. Therefore, you need to make an attempt to including your location of operation on your Instagram bio with the intention of winning the trust of your followers as you go ahead with your promotional efforts.